All right. Hello, you trader nerds. Not everybody's a trader nerd, but those who are profitable and consistent. Are you profitable and consistent? If not, maybe you could consider joining us because we have it going on. How are y'all? It is a Monday and the market is up 0.35%. Looks like we're bumping up against the overnight high. We're staying within the opening 15-minute range. Does look like the hourly mid-man is creeping upward. AD is creeping upward a little bit now. We did have some divergence there that never really played out. It did go down, but it went up way more. It didn't go down as much as I would have thought with that making the low of the day. AD 243 is very strong, very strong. And we're right at the cash open. So looks like we must have had a little bit of a gap open, 0.35% up. VIX at 13. And we've got less than average volume, 3,200 contracts every 2 minutes. And everybody is at lunch enjoying their tuna fish sandwich. All right. So let's see how things are looking today. Let's see how our a big green monster is doing. Come here, little big green monster. Let's see how you're doing. Oh, wow. We did have a little bit of a gap open. And what do we think? We think we'll probably fill in some of these things at some point, probably fill the gap at some point. And we are going to the 49.66 market down, baby. Is the 5,000 in reach? Yes, it is. And we may get there before you know it. So we'll see 49.66 coming on. Likely to fill some of these things as well. So if it don't go up, it's going to go down. Let's look at the linear regression chart. Linear regression looks like, let's see, linear regression looks like this. So indeed, it does look like we're at the upper band and coming up here. So yeah, we could look at that. Y'all, there's the 5,000 right there. Look at there. I think we'll overtake it. This is bullish, baby. Bullish. Just don't know when we're going to do that. All right. So the account we're going to talk about today is one that I've been peeling some money out, and I'm taking money out and I'm transferring stuff over into Tasty at some point. So let's look at this account, the Sweet Bobby Crimson 203 account. Let's see how we're doing. Boy, we have not looked at this account in a long time. So let's see how much money I took out of it. Hold on, let me think about it. I took out 12, and then I took out another 2. So that's what, 14,000. So we took out 14,000. So 14,000 minus 21, what that'd be 7,241. Is that right? 7,241 would be our last little thing there. Is that right? This would be 7,200, right? That's it. 7,200. Here we go. There we go. So we were up 2,000 or $205 on the year. We've not looked at this account since I am moving all of my accounts over to Tasty. Yes, I am. Someone suggested I keep one with Thinkorswim. I may do that. We'll see. So let's see what our net lick is today after taking that cash out. We are at, come here, little feller. Monitor tab. 8207. Wait a minute. Is that right? 8207, 8208. Did I take out 2 or 3,000? 8211. Well, that's a bunch. 8211. I got to make sure I know what I took out. 8211. I think I took out more than that. I think I took out 3,000. I think I took out 15,000. And we're at 8211. Fire up the band, Rico. Now, the 5.59%, that's a little misleading because, it's based on this that we're up. But, wow. I think I've actually taken out 15,000. Hold on a second. Let me see. I can see where I took out money. Well, I'll fix it. We'll fix it at some point. But whatever the case, y'all, we're up big money in 12 days. That is amazing. All right, that's good. I like it a lot. All right, so let's see what our Greeks and ratios are today. You consistent trader, you need to start telling yourself, I am a consistent trader. Hey, Ken, I am a profitable, consistent trader. That's what you are. And you need to get it in your head, right? And hey, come whatever, come crash, calamity, whatever, you know what to do. You know what to do. Doesn't mean that we're not going to lose money, but you know what to do. You got to be consistent, y'all. Got to be consistent. So let's see how we're doing today. We are at, now I've been counting these, right? Because I hadn't counted my hedge. So we're at 20 deltas and 28 theta, 2028. Or did I count the other stuff? Yeah, 2028. 20. I'm not counting the hedge on this one because I can easily keep them separated. And our buying power usage is a measly $2,208. Are you kidding me? 2,200? Wow, look at us. Now, so let's fix that. There we go. God, we're using 130. No, that's not right. Okay, because I got it. That's the reason is because of those amounts. We know that. Okay, so then let's see what we got here. We got SPY deltas are 20, and it says it should be, we're 8 above. So that's not bad. And especially since the overall portfolio is like, much less than that. And our debt theta is that, not including the negative theta of the black swan hedge. Now, remember, we don't need to count the theta of the black swan hedge if you can separate it out, because our man, Mr. Ron Bertino, the man, the myth, the legend, has told us that it is fake theta, that the theta is not negative. So even though my account says that I've got negative theta, indeed, we're going to trust Mr. Bertino. He seems to know what he's doing. And we're going to say that that is fake theta. And we've actually got $28 worth of theta. So we are running red on everything, y'all. But it's really good because I'm going to start peeling off positions now. So what's this? Let's go and look and see if there's any positions that say that they need managing. Right. So we look and see here. This is a debit spread that expired 3 days ago. So it expired worthless. And 3 days ago would have been 1/19/24. Beautiful. All right. So let's look at all these other ones. We've got 25 days left in trade on one of them at least. So let's just look and see what we got here. Remember, the plan is to close it at 21 days or what? If it's 95% profitable. Let's see what we got here. So let's go to our naked puts. Here we go. All right, let's sort them out here. So we're not quite there. I thought I was there the other day. So, you should see that it's one of those things that I could I could close that, but why? I just don't see a reason because let's follow the plan. At 21 days, we'll close it. We've got a few more days before, that's got 53 days in it. Let's see, where's my, we said we had some with 25 days in it. God, I may already close that one. Anyway, we need to start closing down some of these, especially as we're moving this account over to Tasty. But everything looks really, really good. Well, let's look at the Analyze tab on this one, since we're going into deep depth on this one. This is overhedged. This account is overhedged. So let's see what it looks like. Let's go. We're going to hide simulations. So we're only showing our positions. And then, you want to go, I want to show my portfolio beta weighted and make sure that it's today's date. Yeah. And the reason it's showing all these as NA is because we've got those evil. God, is that the only one I got? Those evil T-bills. All right, so let's make sure everything's adjusted here. Yeah, everything looks good. So let's see what we got here now. Price slices, look at there. We'll be down $10,000 if we have a 20% down move. But, ladies and gentlemen, let's see what it looks like when we put in our vol steps. Aha, look at there. This is what we call an overhedged account. And the overhedge looks like if we had a 5, 12, 20% down move, we would be up $103, but we'd probably be up 21,000, 9,000 to 21,000. This is an overhedged account. Now, I hate to tell you a secret, and don't tell people this, but this is where we want all of our accounts to be overhedged. So what we're going to do is we're going to build an empire. Bum, 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 bum. And we want hundreds of tranches of the black swan hedge so that our accounts are fearing nothing, y'all. That's what we want. We want this right here where you go, if we're 30% down, we're going to be up $27,000, $28,000. This is what we want in all the accounts. Now, how do you get there? Well, it takes a while. And this on since we were up big on Friday and Thursday, and we've been up a lot, you better watch your little GTC orders, y'all. What's this? I've got a GTC order here that could fill at, oh, that one's not going to fill at any time. But in the other accounts, be watching your GTC orders, right? Because these things are about to start filling. When this thing fills and I buy back those 12, man, I may go out and sell another 12. Well, I won't in this account since I'm going to move this account over to Tasty. But you see what I'm saying? We would be like, hey, man, I just closed 12 shorts. Maybe I'll sell another 12 shorts. So it's really, really fun times when you have the thing going. Let's just go and look at some of our other orders that we've got in here. See, we've got all these orders here. Look at this. The mark is $1.90, and we've got it in for $1.60. So this one is 30 cents away from filling. Let's go to the other one. And the 203 account. Look at this, y'all. 185. We're only 25 cents away from filling. When this 5 closes, and we end up buying those in 3.5, you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to go out immediately and sell another 3. Now, you don't have to do that. You can wait till 2 consecutive down days, or you can wait till a down day of 0.4% or more. But y'all, we may not get it in this market. Why? Because everything that we're looking at shows that we are bulls away, baby. Bulls away. Okay? But what a great problem to have. Let's just look at this, y'all. I mean, look at this. And I think I've actually taken 15,000 out of it. I know I did. So this one should be, if I took 15, let me make sure this is right. I can't do math in my head, even if it's easy math. So if I had 21,129 and I took out 15,000, I should have 6,129 here. So I should have 6,200. 6,200. And this should be negative 1,500. 15,000, I mean. Yeah, there we go. And then this one would be 6241. And then we're up 18. So we're up 2175 on the year. That just seems like a lot, but I did take out 15,000. I'm gonna double check that. But anyway, y'all have a good day. I appreciate you coming with us. Join the Trader Nerd community. Like our video, share our video, subscribe to our channel. We would love you to do all that. And I hope you have a wonderful, blessed day. I will see y'all tomorrow.